we're gonna give my truck a little makeover. I'm kind of sick of these spray painted black wheels, so why not add more spray paint? We're going with chrome. To give you all a little preview, if I do decide to buy some nicer wheels in the future. I don't really like spending money on wheels because they're just wheels. Supply wise, I mean, you need some clear coat, you need some primer. I got some 220 grit sandpaper, so we're gonna scratch up the surface real nice so that those wheels actually have a surface where paint can adhere to it. We'll scratch it up with the 220 grit, and then I bought some chrome. I don't know how good this is gonna turn out, we'll see. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I'm just gonna take them off, scratch them up, and spray. The entire project cost you 54 bucks, relatively inexpensive. Let's get started. That's how badly these rear wheels are flaking. So you can tell it was already rattle canned. And these, oh boy, look at that. The refinish is really gonna help it out a ton.
Does this thing have a freaking centerpiece?
I've never taken these wheels off, so I wouldn't know, but if it's anything like the back ones, it should just fall off now, right? It'll come off now. Sometimes you really do just have to give it a good whack. I'm not talking about a scheduled jerk. Alexis is gonna take care of the wheels while I get them off so we can multitask and hurry this up. It looks like they did have a chrome finish before someone decided to spray can over them. So we're gonna be restoring the original look.
It looks good.
It's not raining in Florida. We are left with no choice but to do the entire thing inside.
The next day.
The biggest part about having a nice paint job and doing a good job with paint is the masking. I didn't spend that much time, but I think I'll be able to control the overspray, so this should be good. Well, that's what 3 coats of primer looks like, 10 minutes in between each. So now I'm excited. We can actually do the chrome. Let's not get the humidity up in there or else it'll ruin the entire paint job. I've encountered that before. So the reason why I painted them inside once again is because it was raining literally 5 seconds ago. And if you paint while it's raining, that actually introduces too much moisture. It can cause runs. And then when you spray the clear, it can cause it to turn white. Very haziness. If you guys have seen me work on these before, you know, especially clear coating the carbon fiber, when I re-cleared these, I made the mistake of doing it when it was raining and it turned out super hazy. So I had to sand it all down and redo it. So I just tried to use this clear on the wheel, and I did it with this one on purpose just to test things out. Look what happened. So it reacted weird with the chrome and it made it all flaky. We are not going to be using this clear for the rest of it because it'll probably do the same thing. And yes, I followed directions. It says within 1 hour of spraying your color, which is on the bottom, you want to use the clear. And this is what people would say is the most satisfying part. Taking off all the masking tape before the paint dries so that it doesn't get messed up. Now, I'm not really worried about that overspray. I can get it off pretty easily with some 90% isopropyl. So definitely not something I'm gonna stress out about, but this finish is really nice. So I'm gonna put you all on how to get rid of the overspray on the tires in case if you decide to do this at home and don't take the time to properly mask like me. You get some 70% isopropyl, that's what I have right here, some very generic stuff. Then you get a Scotch pad. These cost like $2 if you get them in a pack of 4. And then you just kind of go like this and it should get everything off. You can see where I did it and where I didn't do it. So yeah, we're just gonna go around the whole thing. You all saw the before, this is the after. It really does work a ton. Definitely gonna have to sit there for 30 more minutes, keep scrubbing it, and it'll all be clean. But I do wanna be careful not to get the isopropyl on the fresh paint finish because that could actually melt it out when it's not cured. Up against the truck for a little preview. Yeah, this is gonna look sick. 3 times better than the other ones.
3 days later.
All right, check it. This is looking sweet. I can't wait to get it to the gas station under. I don't know if you all will realize this, but we'll have a slight drop in quality because I'm getting my camera serviced at the moment, so we're using my phone to record. But look at this. The lugs do not fit because there was either a stud conversion or it comes with a different pitch or thread from the factory in the front as opposed to the rear, because the rear went on just fine with these new lugs, but this is not working. So we're just gonna have to use the old ones for now, which are the incorrect ones and made me lose a wheel. And yeah, I guess we'll just have to rock with that until we get the right ones, which should be washer styled like that, but in this size. So I'll have to order that and return the other box. They were expensive, like $200. Oh, look, first try. There we go.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, so I just got to the gas station. Let's check out these chrome wheels. It looks freaking sick. Let's get these angles right and I'll do a full rock around so you all can check it out. Sheesh. And then the rear wheels, I think that looks the best and the cleanest. So I hope it lasts. I hope it doesn't flake. But now you can check it out. Matches up with those tails perfectly like I was saying earlier. All right, and then obviously when it's not in the light, they look a little bit darker. I personally like them when they're in the pure sunlight or the pure overhang light LEDs. My bad. I don't know why I said that. I'm all scatterbrained right now, but that was definitely the move. The only thing that can make my truck look better is if we put these badges on, so I'm gonna do it. All right, there you go. Finishing touches. She's complete. So you guys know what to do if you enjoyed this video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.